Hey guys, remember when I did this video? Cuts away to the video. My Logitech G105 keyboard, the E button broke, so let's unbox my new one. I have gotten myself a Razer Blackwidow 2014. That was September last year. It's July now. It's been nearly a year. I have been using the Razer Blackwidow Stealth Edition of 2014 as my keyboard for my main computer. My other computer's a laptop. Who cares about that? Notifications galore, because professional. But as the title says, this is the review video of my keyboard. This is the, I was about to say Cool Master, wrong brand, Razer Blackwidow Stealth Edition 2014. Yes, you heard me correct. This is a keyboard. The box is mint. I quite like the box. When I first bought it, I thought it was quite heavy for a keyboard, as I've never held a mechanical keyboard before. This is my first mechanical keyboard. I love it. They say about SSDs, they say about mechanical keyboards. SSDs versus hard drives, mechanical keyboards versus membrane keyboards. Once you go mechanical, you never, ever go back. And that's quite the same with an SSD, so I've been told. I had an SSD. It was a Lighton SSD. I got rid of that SSD. But this is not about SSDs. This is about something what has an SSD. Well, really just an SD, as seen here. The S and D keys. My keyboard. It came with, let me try and think. What did it come with? I believe it came with, oh, this really weird device. That's right, it came with a keyboard. Yeah. Come with a sticker. Actually, it came with two stickers, sort of like Apple stickers. It reminded me of Apple packaging. Little thingy it had with the books and all the little stickers, sort of like what comes with your MacBook Pro. With what I've seen with MacBook Pro unboxings. That's right, I watch unboxing videos just like you. This isn't an unboxing at all, this is a review video. This is a gaming keyboard. It's got macro keys. It's got a function key. And it sounds a little like this. Now, if you would just open your ear holes and listen to the beauty of a mechanical keyboard. And that's pretty much what all the keys sound like when they bottom out. And when they don't bottom out, they are quite quiet. They are green Razer keys. I don't know what that sounds like compared to cherry. These are not cherry keys. Taking the escape key off, we have, you guessed it, a mechanical key for my mechanical keyboard. Oh yeah. It's a lot quieter just doing it without the cap. Now, to put that back on, you just put it on, press it, and assuming your uncle's name is Bob, Bob's your uncle. Please comment down below your uncle's name, providing you have one. I have two. Yeah, two. Had to count for a second because I'm a great person. Or maybe I just did that for some entertainment in the video. Who knows? It is a full-size keyboard. It has, as I said before, macro keys. It has normal keyboard keys, what you use for typing out words. Pressing enter and shift in your spacebar. It's got a little bit of wear there, because that's where I hit the spacebar most of the time with typing, like boom, boom, boom. Mostly with this for some reason, not, there's brand new. It also has numpad with a num lock button. For some reason, the num lock LED, when it's turned on, is in the middle instead of there. That is the caps lock. And then on the right of number 1 for your numlock, it's really blurry in real life too. Razer, what were you thinking? Obviously great design, because who cares really. Scroll lock, little S standing for scroll lock. Speaking of scroll lock key, woo! Here on my case we have one of those stickers, Razer stickers in fact, and on my other case for my original custom built computer, there's one in pretty much the same spot. There's a mosquito. Go away. Yeah. On the sides, let's just move my mouse. We have a USB port which has the thingy for my wireless mouse, which is this beast. It's not really a beast, it's a mouse. It's a really good mouse. I like that mouse. Then we have a microphone headphone port, which currently are not connected. And it's got a braided, braided, I was about to say line. No, this is not a car. This is a keyboard. Close. Braided cable with the connector to operate the keyboard, that little USB Hooven, and the audio ports on the keyboard. As I said, not connected. Why? Because I don't have enough ports. I need a sound card. Sean, can I have your old sound card, man? Who am I kidding? You don't watch my videos. If you do, please comment. Warning to everybody watching this: Sean will not comment, as he does not watch these videos. Yeah. It has a rubbery, mattish sort of paint job. Not quite sure what to call it. Ugh. It's got one LED. It is not backlit. I thought it was when I bought it, because I was half asleep. Every time I'm like tired and buy computer parts, I get the wrong thing. Right? Build another computer. I bought a Be Quiet power supply. Thought it was semi-modular. Wasn't semi-modular. I was either tired when I ordered it, I know I was tired when I was building, or PCCG sent me the wrong part. Point being, I was tired. I'm always tired. Hence why I have a foot. What? You think I only have one? I have two. I'm quite scared of myself. I'm sure yous are very scared of me, because I'm totally not behind you. Oh my god. Yeah, this is weirdest review ever. Apologies. Yes. It's a keyboard, come on. There's not really much to say about it other than it's a great keyboard. You can play games on it, you can type on it. It's got something about a lifespan of 60 million keystrokes per key, I would assume. It's a dust magnet as well. Sadly, I don't like that. I don't like dust. Dust makes me sneeze. Achoo! That wasn't a real sneeze. But yeah. Ooh, my computer finished rendering. Yay. Yeah, it's got a green Razer LED. And that's it. Other than, it's got a macro button. Flash, oh, whoops. Flash, and game button, what locks your Windows keys. So, see here, Windows, press that, nothing happens. Turn this off, Windows key, my start Hooven comes up. Yeah, standard gaming keyboard functionalities. It's got media controls up here, mute, volume down, volume up, all with an extra hit of the function key. Skip, pause, play, skip, and yeah, then it's got your macro and gaming buttons, so to speak. It's got a pause break button and a sleep button activated with your function key. Other than that, it's a mechanical keyboard. As I keep saying, there's not really much to say. It's a really good keyboard. It's heavy, it's high quality. Money well spent, in my opinion. I paid over $100. I know I probably got ripped off, but it's a good keyboard. Thank you for watching. If you tolerated my craziness, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, you lair. Oh my god! And leave a comment. I will see you hopefully, in the next one. Goodbye.